Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a value stream mapping diagram using draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to draw.io. Choose where you want to save your diagram on your device or in Google Drive and click Create New Diagram. Once we're in, we see a blank drawing area. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see panel libraries. If you don't see flowchart shapes, just click More Shapes at the bottom and select Value Stream Mapping under the Business heading. That'll give us easy access to the basic shapes we need. Let's start mapping out our process steps. I'll drag a rectangle onto the canvas for our first station. Let's call this one cutting. I'll double-click to type the name, then copy and paste a few more rectangles for drilling, painting, and packaging. With draw.io, it's really easy to duplicate and arrange shapes side by side. Next, I want to show how materials move through each step. I'll select the arrow tool and draw lines connecting each process. Box left to right is usually best for these maps. If you want to show product inventory waiting between two steps, grab the triangle shape and label it inventory with the number of units. Let's add some key data. Double-click below each box to enter cycle times, wait times, and inventory data. For example, maybe cutting 60 sec and inventory 40 units. This turns your map into a powerful analysis tool. Now for information flow, I'll drag over a cloud shape for the customer at the top left and maybe a document shape for supplier at the top right. I'll use dashed arrows from the customer to a new box labeled production planning. That's our PPC department, and then from PPC down to each process, showing how plans and orders guide operations. To make the diagram even clearer, I'll color code the shapes. Processes in blue, inventories in orange, and information flows in dashed green lines. Draw.io lets you easily style shapes. Just select one and pick your fill color up top. If you want to show Kaizen bursts, those special improvement spots, grab a star or explosion icon and place it near steps with lots of waste or potential. Remember, you can always rearrange or resize shapes for clarity. Once your diagram looks good, click File, then Export, and choose your format: PNG for pictures or PDF for a printable version. You can also save the file and share it with your team. So that's the basics. With draw.io, you can visualize any process with ease. Take your own factory, office, or service process and give VSM a try-see where you might find opportunities to cut waste and boost efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.